Alright guys, welcome back. So on this episode I'm talking about Unich. Unich is a platform that you can mine crypto like airdrop. You all know airdrop. So just log into the app, log into the website, click. After 24 hours, you come back. So a new subscriber,
to subscribe to the channel and like the video. So make sure you use my referral code. I want to sign up with Unich. So my referral code is CryptoBond. Make sure you use my referral code to get some bonuses for yourself. So and I will earn some stuff from you guys. Love you all. So let's get into this video. So after you sign up, you are going to get a sign up bonus, which is 50 points. So 50 points what you're going to get for signing up on Unich. So click on earning. So as you can see, over 3 million plus people have joined. So click on customer earning. This is my referral link, but you can change it as I change my own. You can also do the same. So you are going to click on tap to earn for you to start earning on the website. So after 24 hours, you're going to click that button for you to start earning on Unich. So that's how you can earn on the platform. So you click on notify now. If you don't want to be staying on the website for so long, just click on notify now. So they will send you an email or alert you that it's time for you to click the button again. So you want to change your referral code. As you can see how I change it, click on that, clear it, and input the one you want to use. So that's how I change it to CryptoBond request. Use the referral link. Click on referral now. You can copy this or screenshot it, send it to your friends and family for them to use your referral code, and you are going to earn bonuses points for just signing up and for inviting friends and family. So this is how you can change your password. If you forget your password, click on the setting. So that's how you can change your password if you forget password. So the next thing is click on the tap to earn. You see the leaderboard of people must earn people. So I'm in number 1 million plus. So because I just joined the program and I have 50 USD or 50 points currently. So do well to start mining on this website to earn more for yourself. So this is how the referral works. If you refer 5 people, you're going to get 125 points. If you refer 200 people, you're going to get 5,000 points. Do well to refer, share the link to many people as you can, and get a lot of referral for you to make a lot of points for yourself. So see you in the next one. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share to your friends and family.